Hi everyone, welcome to week 11. This week we're going to be studying issues related to the renal system, and you guys have been doing really well on your disease pathology papers. It's been interesting to read all the different topics and some things I don't really encounter very often, so it's kind of nice to read some different things. This week we have the pre-quiz as usual. In Porth's textbook we have chapters 32, 33, and 35 with the associated PowerPoints if you want to help use those to help you study. There's a couple videos on kidneys, nephrons, and the urinary system, and then about 45 minutes or so of information about acute kidney injury, which is kind of interesting as well. There are no forums or midweek activities this week, which is really nice, and the only assignment you have this week is the Module 11 assignment. So as far as things go, this is a pretty easy week for this class, which is nice. If you look ahead, we have Module 12. We don't have that much longer to go. So we're sure getting there. Maybe with the extra time, you could start working on the next step in your paper. Coming up in week 16, we have the disease pathology presentation, so you could maybe take a peek at that. But yeah, we're sure getting there. So by December 11th, we're done with class, which isn't too far away. So this week I'll have office hours on Tuesday at 8 a.m. So if you'd like to meet me there, it's always the same link that's been in the announcements as far as office hours. It's the same Zoom link. So with the somewhat slower paced week for this class at least, hopefully you can catch a little bit of a break and enjoy the fall weather. As usual, if you have any questions or concerns or need clarification on something or a little guidance, please reach out and let me know. I'm more than happy to help. We're here to help you succeed. So enjoy your week and have a great day.